again. Before starting today's class, let me ask you a question. Do you know who is referred as the Prince of Mathematics? Yes, he is Carl Friedrich Gauss. Let me say you a very interesting story. When he was just 10 years old, his teacher asked him to find out the sum of positive integers from 1 to 100. And he immediately replied, "It is 5050. The teacher was very shocked. She said, "Yes, it is absolutely correct." Now, can you guess how did he do? He wrote S is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 99 plus 100. And after that, he had just find out the reverse of the series. Reverse order. So S is equal to 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus 2 plus 1. Let me consider it as 1 and it as 2. Now I'll add this to equation. S plus S. Left hand side. First we'll get 1 plus 100. 2 plus 99. 3 plus 98. 99 plus 2. 100 plus 1. S plus S will get 2S. 100 plus 1, 101. 2 plus 99, 101. 3 plus 98, 101. +99 plus 2, 101. 100 plus 1, 101. So you can see that 101, it is added repeatedly, and we know multiplication is the repeated addition. So here this 101 is repeated 100 times. We can write 101 into 100. So 101 into 100 divided by 2. We will now use the same technique to find out the sum of n terms of an AB. So let me take an AB. Suppose A plus B, D, A plus 2D, and the last term we know it as AN. And we also know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. Okay. Let us find out S. So what I can write here? S sum A plus D, A plus 2D, AN. And just the reverse of this? AN. In place of AN I can write A plus N minus 1 D. So A plus N minus 1 D A plus 2D A plus D plus A. Let me consider it as 1, this is 2. So equation 1 plus equation 2. S plus S. A plus a plus n minus 1d. So a plus a will get 2a plus n minus 1d. So on. Same at the last, a plus n minus 1d plus a, the last terms. If we add a plus a will get 2a plus n minus 1d. So this 2a plus n minus 2a plus n minus 1d, it is repeated n times. So s plus s will get 2s n into 2a plus n minus 1d. So s is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So we got the sum of n terms of an AP. How to find? S is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. It can be derived in one more way. S is equal to, we got n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So what we can write? N by 2, a plus n minus 1d. Yes? And this a plus n minus 1d, it is an. So n by 2, a plus an. We also know that an is the last term. So we can also write n by 2, 2a plus n. So we got 3 derivation here. S is equal to n by 2. The first derivation we got S is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Then we got n by 2, S is equal to n by 2, a plus an. And the third one we got S is equal to n by 2, a plus l. So if in your questions n, a, d is given to you, so you can use this formula. If in your question suppose n, a and an is given, you will be using this one or this. Okay, let us solve some examples. So the first question I have taken here, find the sum of given AP 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 to 100 terms. 200 terms, that means in this case it is n. So here a 0.6, d you have to find out second term minus first term, that means 1.7 minus 0.6 will give you 1.1. And this is 100. So we got a, d and n. We have a, d and n. So we'll be using the first formula. We know S is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So n 100 by 2 2 into A, that means 2 into 0.6 plus n 100 minus 1 D, we got 1.1. So 102 will be cancelled, it will be 50. So 50, 2 into 0.6 will get 1.2 plus 100 minus 1 will give you 99 into 1.1. So 99 into 1.1 will be getting 108.9. So 108.9 plus 1.2. 108.9 plus 1.2. Is it 110.1? Yes. 110.1. So 50 into 110.1. 550. Let us solve the second question. So 34 plus 32 plus 10. In this case, your 34 is the first term and 10 is your last term. Okay? 34 is the first term and 10 is the last term. That means here A is 34, D we can find 32 minus 34, which will be minus 2, and this 10, it is AN, that is your last term. Okay? N is not given to us in this case. So if you see, in each of the formula your N is required. Okay, but in this case N is not given to you. So by using this N, AN equal to 10, you have to find out N. So as we know, AN is A plus N minus 1 D, which is equal to 10. So A it is 34, N minus 1, D it is minus 2, equal to 10. N minus 1 minus 2, 10 minus 34. 34 will go this side, it will be minus 34. So n minus 1. 10 minus 34 will be minus 24. This minus 2, it is multiplied here. If it goes to the other side, it will be divided. So 2 12s are 24. N minus 1, we got it as 12. So n will be, this minus 1 will go to the other side, it will become plus. So n we got as 30. So as we know n now, we can find out the sum. So S is equal to, as it is given AN as 10 and A it is given as 34 and we got n. Can we use the second formula? Yes, we can use. So n by 2 A plus AN. So n we got it as 13. 13 by 2, A it is 34, AN we got it as 10. So 13 by 2, 34 plus 10 will give you 44. Multiply by 44. So we need to multiply 13 and 22. So by multiplying 13 and 22, we will be getting 286. So third question is, given A equal to 3 and equal to 8, S is given as 192 and we are asked to find out the common difference. So we have our three formulas here. So which formula we will be using to solve this question? A is given, N is given. So if your A and N is given, obviously we will be using the first formula for finding out D, right? Okay. So we know S is equal to N by 2. 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. And as it is given as 192 and 8 by 2, 2, 8 is 3 and 8 minus 1 d we are asked to find out. 2 and 8 we can cancel, 2 4s are 8. So 192, this 4 will come to this side as it is multiplied with this whole bracket 4. If it comes to the left hand side, it will be divided. 2 into 3 is 6. 8 minus 1 7 d. So 4 4 is 16. 4 is 32. So 48, 6 will come this side, it will be minus 6, 7 d. So 48 minus 6, 42, 7 d. So 42 by 7 is equal to d. So d will be getting 7 6 are 42. So therefore, common difference we got. So our next example is, how many terms of an AP? The AP is 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636. So how many terms will be added from this AP so that the sum we will get it as 636. That means from the AP we will be getting our A and we will get D, and sum of this AP is given as 636. We are asked to find out how many terms. So how many terms, that means it will be n. So here A, it is 9, B 17 minus 9, 8, sum, that means S it is given as 636. So we know S is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Yes, we'll be using this formula as because a and l is not given to us. So as 636 n by 2, 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 d 8. 636 n by 2, 2 into 9 18 plus 8 n minus 1. So from this 18 and 8, two parts are there, 18 and 8. So from 18 and 8 we can take 2 as common. So 636, if 2 comes out, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8 and minus 1. Okay, this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So 636 is equal to n 9 plus 4n minus 4. 636 is equal to n 9 minus 4, 5 plus 4n. So we multiplied now. 636 is equal to 5 into n, 5n, 4n into n, 4n square. 636 will go to the other side. We'll arrange the terms here. 4n square, 5n minus 636. So we know Factorization, we have done factorization. Midterm splitting also we have done. So in that case, what we need to do? We need to find out. At first we need to multiply 4 and 636, right? This 4 and 636 we need to multiply. So 4 into 636. 4 let us remain like this way. Let us find out the prime factorization of 636. 636. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18. As we got the last term is 9, it will be divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. And 53 it is a composite number. Sorry, it is a prime number. So more it will not be factorized. That means we will be getting 1 as a factor. So 53 into 1 will give you 53. So we got 6, 2, 2, 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. And 12, already this 4 is there. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48, and we got 53. Yes, 53 minus 48 will give you 5. Okay, that means we got our factor as 53 and 48. So by 53 minus 48, so we got the factors 53 and 48. So 4n squared plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. So from these two terms, 4n squared and 5n, and from these two terms. So 4n squared plus 53n will take n is common, and 4n plus 53 will be inside bracket. Then from 48 and 336 we can take 12 is common. 12 4s are 48, plus, as minus I have taken common, so plus 12 will be multiplied with 53 to give you 636. So 4n plus 53 n minus 12 equal to 0. So either 4n plus 53 will be equal to 0, or n minus 12 will be equal to 0. So 4n equal to minus 53, n equal to minus 53 by 4. In this case, n equal to 12. So n equal to minus 53, as we know, n is the number of terms, and number of terms cannot be negative. So n cannot be negative. So n is equal to 12 will be the required answer. So that means 12 terms if you add, you will be getting this 636. So by adding 12 terms of this AP, we will get a sum of 636. So next question is, the first term of an AP is 5. That means A is 5. Last term it is given as 45. So first term it is given as 5, last term 45, sum given as 400. You are asked to find out number of terms and common difference. Number of terms, that means n, common difference, that means d. So let us write whatever given to us here. Here A is equal to 5, last term L or AN is equal to 45, sum, that means S it is given as 400. So as we know, A and AN, if A and AN is given, can we use the second formula for finding out N? Yes, we can find out. So we know S is equal to N by 2 A plus AN. So S it is 400, N by 2, A 5, AN 45. So 400 into 2 and 5 plus 45 will be 50. So 400 into 2 by 50 is equal to N. 5 is 40. So we got N. So N we got in this case 8 to the 16. Okay, and we got 16. So next we are asked to find out common difference. So to find out common difference, yes, we'll be using the first formula. Or we can use this AN also. So since AN equal to 45 is given to us, so A plus N minus 1 D equal to 45. A is 5 plus N, we got 16, D equal to 45. So if 16 minus 1 will get 15D, 5 will go this side, it will be 45 minus 5. So D equal to 45 minus 5 will be 40 divided by 15. 5 3s are 15, 5 is 40. So we got D is equal to 8 by 3. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 term, that means sum of 17 term is 289. We are asked to find out sum of first n terms. Okay. So here what is at first what is given to us? Sum of first n terms. That means here S7, sum of 7 term, first 7 term S7, 49. That means in this case your n is 7. So we can write 7 by 2, 2a plus n7 minus 1 d. In this case a and d is not given. So equal to 49. So 2a plus 7 minus 1 6d equal to 49. This 7 by 2, if it goes to the other side, it will just the reciprocal. So 49 into 2 by 7. So we can take 2 as common here. A plus 3d equal to 7 into 2. So a plus 3d equal to 7 into 2, and if these two go this side, it will be divided. So we got a plus 3d as 7. That means we got a fourth term as 7. Next, 17th term is 289. That means S17, 289. So 17 by 2, that means in this case your n is 17. 2a plus 17 minus 1 d, 289. So 2a plus 17 minus 1 will be 16d, 289 into 17 by 2, it will be the reciprocal 2 by 17. And 17 square, if you remember, it will be 289. So that means 17 into 17. 2, same we will take common, a plus 8d, 2 8 is 16, 17 into 2. So a plus 8d equal to, we got 17 into 2, and if this 2 goes to right hand side, will be divided. So a plus 8d equal to 17. This is the equation 2. So by solving this two equation, we will be getting a, the value of a and value of d. Okay. So the equations are a plus 3d equal to 7. This is the first equation. And the second equation I got a plus 8d equal to 17. So we will be solving these two equations to get the value of a and d. If we get the value of a and d, we can find out the sum of first n terms by using the first formula. Yes? Okay. So suppose equation 1 minus equation 2. Left hand side minus left hand side. So a plus 3d minus a plus 8d. This will be within bracket. The second equation left hand side will be within bracket. 7 minus 17, the right hand side. A plus 3d minus a minus 8d equal to minus 10. 7 minus 17 minus 10. A will be cancelled. So 3d minus 8d. 3d minus 8d will get minus 5d equal to minus 10. So d will be equal to minus 10 by minus 5. 5 2s are 10. So d we got 2. So by putting the value of d in any of the equation, let me put in equation 1. Putting d equal to 2 in equation 1. So equation 1 was a plus 3d equal to 7. So a plus 3 into d, we got 2 equal to 7. That means a plus 6 equal to 7. So we will get a equal to 7 plus 6 will go to 7 minus 6. It is equal to 1. So we got a and d. So sum of first n term, since s equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So n by 2, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 d we got as 2. So we can take 2 as common. So 2 into n by 2. So 1 plus n minus 1 will remain. So minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. 2 will be cancelled. So n into n will be getting n square. So the sum of first n terms we got n square.